tayo. Parang sa akin eh. Okay? Alright. Alright.
Hi, what's up, Steven Media? We're here with Sir Kevin of Star One. Moore's car. Yes, brother. Sir, thank you very much for this, for your time.
No, thank you din.
Yeah, it was so busy mo.
Visiting. No problem.
So, kung busy mo with all these times, guys, kanina.
Oh,
On a Saturday,
yes.
dinabala ko si Sir. Tsaka si Ma'am.
Oh, no, it's good. It's
Pero
better.
sobrang thankful talaga.
Oh,
Sobrang sorry na pagbigyan ako.
thank you very much. You're welcome, boss.
For welcoming us here after beautiful sun.
Thank you, thank you.
Good sir, talking about some, how did it start?
So Tire 1 started 2021, May 17. No? So, actually, you started very small lang. One car garage sa harap. Tinesting lang talaga namin yung area. Yung area kasi medyo may background dito na parang yung tire shops, medyo liglig kasi yung area, so nahihirapan.
Okay.
So, we took the challenge. No? Kasi medyo dense na rin sa Manila. And we're hoping na this time around, since napakarami na ng population sa provinces, we tried our best. So, start tayo, isang brand ng gulong, which was Westlake Tires. That goes around, I think, 250 pieces lang.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and then later on, progression lang, so step by step, maliit, small wins. And eventually, nakapagpaikot kami, we're now at, I think, carrying mga 16 brands.
16 brands.
Tires, of tires. Bukod pa yung mga match na So, from China tires up to premium tires like Michelin yan, meron tayo dito sa shop. And then, eventually, nagkaroon na rin ng mga under chassis services.
Yes.
And then, yung mga 4x4 off-road, meron na rin. Sa mga sedan, yung mga coilovers, meron na rin tayo niyan. So, as we progress along the way, in-inject ko na yung enthusiasm sa ito.
Okay.
So, it's like doing business at the same time, yung passion to talaga for cars.
Which is important talaga.
Yes.
So one thing I've learned doing this content creation, and one thing I've learned sa inyo, is that you follow your passion regardless how you started.
Actually, boss, tomorrow na kami. We were trying to build a community
Oh yeah, okay.
dito sa Batangas.
Okay.
You know, nung nagsisimula kami, nakita namin yung potential. And the people were craving for, parang a destination wherein they can express their sense pa. Well, ito yung kotse ko, ito yung project ko.
So you build your
Sino yung mga katulong sa akin? No, yung proper way, kasi may kanya-kanyang definition ng proper yan. No, so me as an enthusiast since 2008, yan, nagsimula ako sa mundo ng kotse, 2008. Tinatry ko i-share sa kanila.
Okay.
Kung ano yung naging experiences ko before, and for this industry, no, I give the utmost knowledge that I can.
Okay.
Para ma-meet ko yung standards na gusto nila.
So parang gagawin dun sa gusto nila mag-met.
Yes. So,
With regards to your experience, that's nice. Isang pinakamagandang point yun kasi you're not just a shop.
yeah.
Parang you just wanna sell, but you want to understand kung ano yung need nung...
Yes. So, kumbaga parang syempre, busy na ako sa shop. So, ang ginagawa ko, we're trying to form muna yung community para at least may mga nakakausap din ako na ibang perspective, di ba? Natututo din ako. Doon kami. So parang, ito na pala yung trending ngayon. Ito na pala yung gusto ng generation ngayon. So, lahat yun, tinatry namin para yung progression natin makasabay.
Oo, yan.
And then, yun nga, nakikipag-bulap din kami with different community. grupo, mga car meets, nag-attend din kami. So para parang gusto namin makita na ito na pala yung Parsim na yun. And from the way it was back in 2008,
Malaki na yung change.
malayo yung changes.
In terms of parts, in terms of...
Yes, in terms of parts. Kasi ngayon, we have all the access na. We have access sa mga original Japan, mga mags, accessories. Hindi na tayo deprived, kumbaga.
Not like before.
Not unlike before. And, halimbawa, may mga tire brand dati na sobrang mahal. Now, it's affordable.
Okay.
So, now, people are getting into it. Nakakasabay na rin sila.
Pero in terms of competition ba, sir? Medyo mga bigyan ako.
When it comes to competition mo, ano ba?
Dealer to dealer or setup to setup? Sa dealer mo lang.
Sa dealer side, boss, as much as we can, we just try to focus on ourselves.
For yourself. Yeah, that's
The competition is there.
Yeah.
It's very vast.
yes.
So, pero kasi kami, ang progression namin, gusto namin, ano ba yung strengths namin?
That's where you focus. That's where we focus.
Diba? Para hindi naman natin kailangan punahin lahat ng gano'n na iba. Diba?
Correct.
Wala nung, they're just trying to survive.
So,
Kumbaga, ito, business injected with our passion. That's our, kumbaga,
mantra.
oo.
That's what Tire 1 is all about.
Yes. And then, bukod doon, syempre, after sales din.
After sales
Yes.
service, which is very
Because the business doesn't end on the sales.
yes.
It prolongs up until after sales service.
Sabi, I noticed nga, sabi niya, kahit gaano kalayo yung shop,
Yes.
pag talagang maganda yung after sales service,
Yes.
pumunta
Totoo
mo yun.
Oh, yeah. Kasi with a lot of things going in the industry, sa automotive industry, it's very important na yung relationship mo with your customers. You try to hang on to it for as long as you can. Kumbaga, hindi lang hanga kung kaya nyo pang palawakan di ba? So that's our goal.
Kumbaga parang, sabi nga nila, your customer, you don't need too much marketing.
Yeah.
Your customer will see your marketing.
Yes.
They will
Yes.
tell you, okay dito sa Tire 1, okay sa
Yes.
mobile to bull after sales service.
Yes.
I believe in that.
Yes.
And one thing talaga na-admire ko sa inyo, lalo na sa inyo magkatawa. Kasi guys, first time ko na-meet sila was sa event sa AGC.
Yes.
Thank you, Lord. God
Sobrang
bless
laki
these
ng
people.
booth, diba?
And
I was
God
like,
bless this
Tire
store.
1?
Solid.
So yun, sumali ako ng raffle, nanalo ko sa kanila. It was an event of Go Factory.
Yeah.
Shoutout kay Tito Johnsky. And na-meet ko sila. And their merch are so nice. The shirt, yung viral, all out. Then, first time ko makakita. And then like, sobrang accommodating.
Yeah, actually, yun naman ang namin. Whatever we can contribute sa community, whether it's in Batangas or, somewhere else.
Yes.
And it's not about always getting yung market mo. It's also what you can contribute or what you love.
Oh my.
Diba? Kasi it evolves you as a person.
True.
And you get to meet a lot of people na pwedeng matambag sa'yo ng bago. Which you can apply.
Yeah.
Diba? You can apply it. If you think it's aligned with you, you can apply it. Diba? So, yung mga ganung bagay, that's what helps us keep going.
Okay, yeah. Oh.
Keep our good plan there. And then, kung mag-communicate kami, and then nagugulat kami. Somewhere along the way, humingi na rin sila ng kulang sa amin.
Yeah.
So parang win-win situation for us.
Yeah.
Very emotional Talaga kayo.
And recently, meron yung bagong update, no? Nakataon din sa post nila that you were exclusively distributing, you're going to distribute.
Authorized dealer.
Authorized dealer.
Yan. Okay ba yun?
Yun nga ba na? Authorized
Yes,
dealer.
Bradley Wheels ng 4x4 Engineering. So, doon sa mga mahilig mag-offroad na gusto ng Japan wheels na sobrang tibay, check it out, Bradley Wheels. Bradley B, Bradley DD1, tsaka yung Bradley Takumi Forge. It's available with us. just contact us, message us. We'll try to assist you.
Sobrang solid. That is one of my dream reads. So alam mo na kung kanina ako pupunta. Alam mo legit, ayun, dito sa Taiwan. Here at, sir, where can they find you?
We're situated here in Ilustre Ave, Lemery, Batangas. No? We also have our Facebook page, Instagram page, TikTok, Taiwan Motors Corp. If you have any inquiries, gulong, mags, suspension, kahit even langis, meron tayo yan dito sa shop, mga boss. So, just message us and we'll try to assist you the best we can.
Yeah, we just had my change oil. We just had our change oil. Before Fiesta,
Oo.
sobrang accommodating. Yung mga hindi ko nakikita sa ibang shop na ginawa na yung gagawin pa, they recommend. They tell you what kung ano yung things to be done, yung sa susunod.
Yes.
Pero they don't force you na, boss, kailangan mo whatever. So one thing I really admire with Taiwan.
Kailangan boss, in line tayo with the customer as always. Diba? Para smooth lang lahat.
Yes. Yun. Sir, and advice na lang sa mga builders.
Okay. Builders or sa mga... Kasi kung sa builders, just keep doing what you love. Eventually, you'll see the fruit of it.
Yes.
And for those naman aspiring to have their cars built by us, just know that we will do your car as if it was our own. So, yun lang guys.
Gusto ko yun ha. Iko-call ko yun. Sir, iko-call kita. Gusto ko yun. Kasi ako, pag nahiram ko ng kotse, I treat that car or even sa customer namin, it's like it's like our car.
Yes, importante yun mo.
Yeah.
Kasi ako, like I said, I'm a car enthusiast. And to be honest, sobrang selan ko sa kotse.
I heard nga, sir.
Sobrang selan ko sa kotse. And yung selan ko, I apply it to all my clients. No? Hindi kami namimili kahit yan ay owner type G or whatsoever. Kahit anong dala mo dito sa shop, I treat it as my own. That's what I always tell sa mga staff ko. Alagaan nyo na parang kotse ko.
Yeah.
So, in that way, the customers will appreciate it kasi mahalaga din sa kanila at pinakahalagaan namin ko na nila.
So, I believe in that.
Yes.
Yeah, me as a customer, gusto ko yung gano'n klaseng type ng shop. So, parang, they treat your car as if they're done. Alright. Alright.
Boss,
Sir Kevin, sobrang maraming salamat. I know this is a short interview.
very meaningful one.
Na-highlight mo lahat yung mga important things.
Yes.
And it's very inspiring.
Thank
So,
you, boss.
thank you for your time. And mamaya,
Thank you, boss.
guys, nasa ano pala sila. If you wanna catch them, they will be at
Hardcore meet
Hardcore
sa Ayala, Manila Bay. So, see you guys there. Enjoy.
Yan. Shout out to Sir Henry Word and of course Mr. Richmond Sungay and all the teams of Hardcore Modena.
Yes.
Alright? Sir, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, boss. Thank you.
More power to your shop,
Thank you,
more customers, and God bless.
God bless.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Kevin Cardenas. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
po.
Here at Tire One Wars 4. Thank you.
Oh guys, gusto ko lang magpa-thank you. Of course. Thank you, Sir Kevin. Mamina, thank you. Thank you. Here, guys, Joms TV Media, here at Tire One Motors Corp. Alright, thank you.